Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you delete all your contacts from your iPhone. So let's get started. If you want to delete a single contact from your iPhone, it's very easy and it's very simple. Just simply open a single contact of a specific person that you want to delete. Scroll down below in the end, you will find an option of delete contact. Simply press it and it will be deleted from your iPhone. But if you want to delete all your contacts at the same time, so you have to move towards settings. Now open your iCloud account and click on iCloud. After that, you will see the option app using iCloud. Now you can see you have numbers of apps. Now simply click on the contacts and you will find two options, keep on my iPhone or delete from my iPhone. Simply click on delete from my iPhone and all your contacts will be deleted. It's very easy and it's very simple. This is how you can easily delete all your contacts from your iPhone easily, and I hope this will help you a lot. Prefer like, share and subscribe for more informative videos, and also comment below.